Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to add hats to an NPC in Roblox Studio. So first of all, let's go to the toolbox, search for a dummy. Let's choose this one, for example. As you can see, we have this dummy here. And then all you have to do is just write this code here. I will leave it in the description. After that, let's take this one. After that, just go to here into Roblox catalog, go to roblox.com catalog. After that, go to marketplace and then just search for hat. Choose what hat is best for you. Let's say this one, and then copy the ID of the hat. Click on copy, go back to Roblox Studio, and then paste the ID here in the load asset. After that, click the enter button, and you will see here a model, as you can see here. Oh, I think this is not it appeared here, but all you have to do is just to click on this one. After that, just drag it to the dummy. And as you can see, the ad headed to the dummy successfully and it works perfectly. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.